And what you want is you want that grain be like, you want it to go, if that's the grain, you want that to be up, okay? And you do this with a deck more so than here, but if you put it, what happens is as this board dries, it will actually bow up a little bit. And so if you're building a deck, all right, it's gonna get a lot of rain on it. And so you want that board to be put down like that, so as it dries in the sun, it's going to have a little bit of a bow like that, so when it rains, the rain hits it and runs off the side. If you were to build it this way, that board's going to tend to cup, okay? And then when it rains, the rain comes down and it hits on there. So instead of running off to the side, it's kind of got a little cup there, and water will lay in there. And when it starts laying, even though these are pressure treated boards, they're not supposed to rot, or it takes a while, they will start to rot because of the cup in it, okay? Now, being a 2x6, it doesn't do it as much because it's thicker and it's harder. These aren't really, a lot of people, they use a board that's a little bit thinner for their decks, and that's fine. It's called just basically called a deck board, but a deck board's only 1 1/4 inches thick. It's just a 1/4 inch thinner, but this is 1.5 inches. I'd rather use it makes that deck so much stronger, just having that little extra, and it helps out a little bit. So as you put these boards down, like this one's got the, right there, it's the bottom, but that's what we're trying to do. Any board that's laying down, we kind of doing that for top one there. Sometimes you miss it, you get ahead of yourself. And it's not going to be a big deal in here.
Yeah.
But if you're out there, building a deck and when the sun's getting water on it, you do want to kind of look at that. But we're going to try to do that today. As you do it, you want to try to look at the grain and make sure it's popped up, that grain down like that. So, all right.